Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna share with you one of the most powerful way to improve your Google Ads performance. It's called offline conversion tracking. Yes, you are listening right. Offline conversion tracking. I will explain what is it, how you can set it up without using any paid tools, and why every business should start using it right now. What is offline conversion tracking? So here's the things. Every time someone clicks your Google Ads, Google attests a unique ID. We are called this digital ID. It's like a digital fingerprint for that specific clicks. Now, when a user fills out your form, you capture that digital ID and store it. Maybe in your CRM, Google Sheet, or whenever you manage your list. Later, when that lead actually becomes a real paying customer, you send that digital ID back to Google Ads. And that's what we call offline conversion tracking, collecting the dot between ad click and real sales. Let me give you a quick example. Let's say you are running an ad for free solar consultation. 100 people click the ad and fill the form. Great. You've got 100 leads. But after a week, only 10 of them actually buy solar panel. Now, if you send those 10 converted leads GCL ID back to Google Ads, Google learns, okay, these are real buyers, show my ads to more people like them. That's why, and that's how Google AI starts confusing on quality, not just quantity. How to set it up without paid tools? The best part, you don't need any paid tools like Zapier, Make, or HubSpot, and any CRM like third-party paid tools. You can do everything using Google Tag Manager, Google Sheets, and Google Ads. Here's how we do it, just 7 simple steps. First step, connect Google Tag Manager with our website. Second step, create a Google Sheet and its app script, qualified conversion goals on the Google Ads. And third step, capture the digital ID from your URL. And step 4, send all your forms data into parent Google Sheet. We are created two sheet, and first of all we are send all the data on our parent Google Sheet. Then we are test our setup is right or wrong. Then step 6, move your converted customers to a child sheet from parent sheet. Okay, then step 7, finally uploads that converted data back to Google Ads. That's boom. You will now tracking real sales instead of just leads. So now I will set up our offline conversion tracking. So how can I do? So I will follow only 7 steps. It will be totally done. So first step is to connect Google Tag Manager with our website. I already connected Google Tag Manager with my websites, and this is my Google Tag Manager, and you can see this is our Google Tag Manager ID, and I can check this ID with our website. So this is my website. And how can I check this one? So click on mouse right button and go view page source and control F and V, and this is our Google Tag Manager. I already add this Google Tag Manager on our website's header sections. Now our second step is create a Google Sheet and app script and qualified conversions goals on our Google Ads. So first of all, I will go our Google Sheet. This is my Google Sheet. Actually, I already designed this Google Sheet look like this. Okay, and here and everything is, I think, good. And this one is first name, email, phone number, and Google click ID, conversions name. Actually it is depends on our Googles. Which one I will show you, this one. So first you will go to tools, goals, then conversions, and go to uploads. And actually this Google Sheet created by me, and this one is depends on our Google Sheet. So go to Google's, and here you can see this upload options, and when you click on plus button, and here you can see view template for the format your life. So I will see this view template, click on this here, and conversions from clicks. Okay, then I want to see this Google Sheet. So click on Google Sheet and make a copy. Click on this button, and Google send this Google Sheet. If you want to send any offline conversions from your Google Ads, you can use look like this Google Sheet. So that's why here you can see the Google click ID, conversion name, conversion time, conversion value, and this is conversion currency, add user data, and add personalization. And it is very important, this 6 number. So I will copy this one and go to our Google Ads convert, and yeah, I will above, and I will paste this here. Okay, and I will add this here, our time zone. So yeah, it is done. Now actually, first of all, I will create 2 Google Sheet. First is this parent, and this one is child. Okay, this child. Okay, so first of all, I will collect every data. It will be qualified or non-qualified, and it will be click, and it actually where depends on always our click. Okay, so we are collect every data from our forms like this. When anyone complete these forms, this times we are collect these forms data on the sheet, like first name, email, and phone number. Also click ID, conversions name, is converted, conversion ID, value, currency, add user data, add personalization data. Okay, everything I will collect from our website. Then we are sent this data from our Google style sheet, because this is our Google requirements, and we are sending this every data on our Google Ads, so that our ads it will be optimized. So okay, then now I want to create one 𝗵𝗶𝗲𝗶. So here I create one 𝗵𝗶𝗶𝗲. This is our parent sheet. So click on these extensions. You can see these extensions. Click on here, and here you can see this 𝗵𝗶𝗲. So go click on 𝗵𝗶𝗲, and here need one JavaScript code to add it with our Google Sheet. And I am using this sheet. I am using this code, and I am using these URLs from this Google Sheet URLs. Okay, I will paste this here. Okay, and this is our sheet names. Which one? This one. And sheet names is true. I'm using this sheet name is true. And I send every data like full name, email, phone number, GCLID, conversions name. This type of every data I am sending on the Google Sheet, and that's why I'm using this code. And now I want to deploy this 𝗵𝗶𝗲𝗶. So click on new deployment. Then here I will write down here versions 01, and ensure that you are added here anyone who has access anyone. Okay, then click on deploy. Then you are founding on the code. You are using this code later. Okay, so I will click on this done. And how to found this URL? So click on deploy, and you can see this manage deployment. And here you can see this your every versions here available, but this is our latest versions, this one. So select this one, and this is our web app URL. So you can use this anytime. So I will click on cancel. Now we need to create Google goals for our conversions, qualified lead conversions. So first of all, go to goals, then click on summary. Now you need to create on conversions. Right here I will create on conversions. That way I'm click on create conversions action. Then here you need to select only conversions offline. no need to select this conversions from call and conversions on our website. So I'm using only conversions offline. Then select click on save and continue. And here I'm choosing here a qualified lead because when anyone land on our website and submit a form, so that's why this forms will be qualified. That's why I will choose this one. And add conversions actions, it will be connected data source letter. Okay, I will edit this letter. And you can edit these settings because here have some settings like actions optimizations. It will be primary actions used by feeding optimizations. Conversion names, it will be, I will write this one is offline conversion conversions lead. Okay, offline conversion or only lead. No need to write anything. Okay, this conversion name and our value, it will be used different value for each conversions. Actually, I will send this manually because when we are conversions, it will our lead will be conversions. Then we can depends on our value. And right now, no need to value. That's why I will use a dynamic value from our Google Tag Manager. And count, it will be every. Okay, yeah, it will be every. Then click through conversions window, ingest view conversions window and activations. Okay, everything will be same. Then click on done. And again, click on save and continue. Okay, set up your data source. No need any guideline. So I will click on finish. Then our goal will be created. Now our second step is done. Right now, our third step, capture the GCLID from your website. Okay, so I will go our website, and you can see this our goals. This our goals is late. Okay, this one and this one from some okay, this one, this is our goals. Okay, because I am using qualified lead. Okay, now our third step is capture our GCLID. Suppose when anyone land our website, and this times our website URL show one URL like this GCLID ID equal like this test anything. Okay, anything, it will be added here. Then we are click on enter. Then this type of URL, when anyone land on our website, that times we are look like this ID, right? ID like this GCLID, and we are captured this GCLID and for to send the GCLID on our Google Sheet here. Okay, Google Click ID, look here. So how can I collect this GCLID? I'm using a Google Tag Manager. So this is our Google Tag Manager, and I already use one code to get this GCLID from our website URL, and you can use this one. I will send this code, every code I will send this code on my video descriptions, or you can message me on my LinkedIn. I will send this URL, no problem. I will send this code, no problem. So yeah, I will use this code. Actually, this code send the local storage, and this is then later I will collect this GCLID from our local storage. Okay, and this code working all the page. Okay, then our third step is done. Now our fourth step is send all your forms data into parent Google Sheet. Okay, it is very important. Now we need to send all the data like the forms data every data on our Google Sheet, and like the first name, last email, phone number, everything I will send this here. So that's if you want to send every data from your website, you need to use on JavaScript code. This code is like this. Okay, here I am using this code, and here I'm sending this full name, email, phone number, GCLID, conversion name, conversion time, value, it is our static, and conversions currency, I send this static, and add user data and add personalization data, it is dynamic. Actually, my website have on a cookie. When anyone like this select this actually right now our cookie I already I sent this cookie on denied. So if I submit a forms, that times our lead capture this GCLID we as a denied. Yeah, add user data and add personalization value will be denied. And when I am sent on a cookie like this cookie show details, when our marketing, this option will be right marked, and I will click on allow this marketing sector. This time our cookie will be granted. Okay, it will be dynamic. I am sending this data is dynamically, so don't worry about this. Okay, so now I want to send this data on this every data from our Google Sheet. I am using this Google Sheet. Here I need to change only this URL where I am creating on app script. So go to our app script and click on deploy, and again click on manage deployments. Then see here on URL, I copy this URL and go to our Google Tag Manager and just change this URL, and our trigger will be when our form will be submitted. Suppose here our forms, right? And this is our contract form 7. When I submit this form, so that times our event will be fired, and this event's name is contract form 7 submissions, and I am using these triggers. Okay, so yeah, I think our setup is done. Click on save. And here another thing, so I need to change these names from our Google Tag Manager sheet here. So go to Google Tags and go to Google Sheet for ads, and I will change this name is conversion name. Okay, this one is conversion name. I will change this one. Okay, dynamic value here. Okay, I will send the static value granted. Okay, so sheet and copy this one and change this one here, granted. This value will be granted. Okay, then click on save, and yeah, right now our sheet will be working very well. So I will check again. Okay, so click on preview again. Okay, I need to change our GCLID. Okay, so connect, click on preview again. Also change our forms details. Okay, here I will use this like test want to be done test like this, every data, then click on connect. Okay, now I need to add this name is test for test and everything is okay, then click on submit. Our form is submitted. Then I will check our Google Sheet, and you can see this here, test for test and element test phone number, and this is our GCLID. Okay, you can see this GCLID and like this here test, and this is our conversion name is one, and time, our right time is same. Okay, this one is granted. Now I can our setup is done, and also I have already completed our test options like this. Step 5 is done, right? It is working. And now move your converted customers to a child sheet from parent sheet. Okay, so actually every data, suppose I am here seeing here every data like total lead is 15 and the query is 5 and completed is 7, and everything I show this visualizations. But this data like this like this 29, this data is converted. I already converted, and I discussed with our customer, and it is she is a conversion lead. This one is conversion lead, so I will send this data from our Google Ads. That's why I will send this every data which one will be completed or conversions. I will send this data on our child sheet. This is on our child sheet. Okay, so I will send every data on here. So how can do that? So here you can see this one. When I select this completed, suppose when is inquiry, then I am not see this data on here. But when I select this is on completed, then this data will go to our child sheet. Here you can see this one, this sheet, this test click ID, lead, and then 100 USD granted. Okay, so now I can send this data on our Google for optimize our ads. So okay, so how can I do that? I am using a code to generate this hairs. Actually hairs on our code look like this code I'm using. Okay. Okay, so I hope you understand everything. Now I want to actually now our next step is upload that converted data back to Google Ads. Upload this converted data on our Google Ads. So now I want to go our Google Ads and yeah, go to Google's, and here go to goals, and here you can see uploads options, and I will select these upload options. Now I will go to schedule. Actually you can edit this here on the upload options, but I am using the schedules because our this forms data, like this forms data, it will be it automatically uploaded, and day by day it will be updated. So that's why I will use this one. That's why I will schedule this every forms data. So go to schedules and click on plus button and select source. Okay, then our source will be Google Sheet. So select Google Sheet and link an existing Google Sheet. So click this icon, and I will select our Google Sheet, and this Google Sheet name is Google Ads Offline Conversions Data Child. So I will search this here, child, and this one. Okay, so select this one and click on insert, and ensure that actually here make sure you shared your Google Sheets with this Gmail or landing page. So I will copy this one and go to our child sheet and click on this share button. Then I will paste this paste this here from this landing page or Gmail. Okay, so then it will be editor, notify people. Okay, everything is okay, then click on send. When you complete this one, then your Google Sheet will be working, otherwise not. Okay, so it is very important. So your select here frequency, and it will be 24 hours, and you can choose any time, and time will be 12 AM. Okay, that's good, and click on preview and save and preview. And now you can see here's lots of problems because I'm sending the wrong data. That's why I will face some problems. But when your data will be accurate, and every data collect from your depends on your GCLID or Google Ads, then you are not found any error. Okay, so don't worry about this. Okay, here I need a couple of times. Yeah, you can see this our GCLID's problems, qualify lead, and here's some problems we are facing. So don't worry, when you upload any forms, then any lead depends on your Google Ads, then every problem will be solved. Okay, so don't worry about this. So click on OK. Then yeah, your data is completely set up, done. So why you should use worked like offline conversion tracking? So why does this matter? Because most businesses only track form fill-ups, not actual revenue. That means Google thinks every lead is good, even if they never buy. But what offline conversion tracking? But with offline conversion tracking, Google finally know who your real buyers are. And once that happens, your campaigns comes 10x smarter. You will reduce wasted ad spend, you will improve your lead quality, and your smart bidding will focus only on profitable customers. So if you want your Google ad to bring in real revenue, not just random leads, start using offline conversion tracking today. And if you'd like help setting it up for your business, I've got your covered. I will handle the full setups for you using for only free tools like Google Tag Manager, Google Sheet, and Google Ads. Let's make your ads smarter, your sales strong, and your data more powerful. So see you soon.